guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mackenzie and I upload DIY and sewing tutorials every single week with my dog Jack. This is Jack. You'll be seeing him in bits and pieces of all of my videos. He may not be in it as much today because we're going to do something a little different, but I will try to include him as much as I can. So since it is October, all of my videos this month are going to be Halloween related. So I am still uploading the DIY and sewing tutorials, but today I am going to be doing something a little different. I'm going to be giving you guys some costume ideas from the Dollar Tree. So all of the accessories are going to be from Dollar Tree. All of the outfits are made by me. If you guys watch my videos or follow me on Instagram, then you know I make most of my clothes. So all of these outfits are made by me, but it is still supposed to give you inspiration so you can come up with your own outfits. It's pretty simple to pair with an outfit of your own, but these are just accessories from the Dollar Tree. These are great costume ideas if you are running behind and you need something last minute, and it's really cheap to do as well because you can just find items in your closet. You can just find like outfits in your closet to go with the accessories. So let me show you guys what I got and let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I got was this tiara, and I got this glow wand to go with it. So this would be a first costume idea, and I will show you guys the full look after I show you guys what I got from the store. The second one is this unicorn skirt, and it's not going to fit as a skirt obviously because it is made for children, but I decided to wear it a different way, so stay tuned to see how I wear this. And then I got this unicorn horn and ears, this little headband, so cute. Then I got this ladybug headband with the matching skirt as well, but I'm not gonna wear it as a skirt. Okay, so let me show you guys the 3 different costume looks. Jack. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know which costume was your favorite. I'm not really sure which one was my favorite. I really had fun putting together all of these outfits, so I really don't know which one I like the best. But let me know if you guys decide to do any of these costumes for Halloween, which one you liked. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And make sure you subscribe to my channel. I upload every single weekend with my dog Jack. Thank you guys so much for watching. Happy Halloween!